Fans of Sylvester Stallone, John Rambo want to know if he will be back in Rambo 6. Is Stallone said to be recast in a reboot? Here's everything you need to know about Sylvester Stallone future in the Rambo franchise. Stallone career defining role lasted for 5 movies from 1985 to 2019, starting with Rambo First Blood and ending with Rambo Last Blood. Since then, fans have been asking if he did be back for another Rambo outing. Unfortunately, Rambo 6 is not confirmed. Instead, a series could air, but it might not star Sylvester Stallone as the titular lead. John Rambo could be recast as a younger lead is being considered to replace Sylvester Stallone. Instead of Rambo 6, a Rambo centric series has reportedly been in development since 2013, with the last update coming from Stallone in 2022. While speaking with the Hollywood Reporter, he so believed that the series will happen. He revealed that it will involve a new actor as Rambo and also tease the narrative, saying, I think it's going to happen. I wanted to do it like a covert documentary on Vietnam where you drop young Rambo in there and here's this outgoing guy, football captain, and then you see why he become Rambo. But what they want to do is a modern day story where I pass the torch. That's getting close. Will their agent win any update on the Rambo series? Since then, it could arrive in the next few years. A new lead actor hasn't been cast yet, but the likes of Glenn Powell, Liam Hemsworth, Adam Driver, Mitchell V. Jordan, and John Bernthal could after insisting takes on the character in a potential reboot. Coming soon will provide an update to this story once new reports come in.